Welcome to the D&D Gardening Channel. Here's your host, Dee.
Hello everyone and welcome back. This is what day is this? 3, I think. Yeah, this is day 3 and we are checking in on our germination process of the carrot seeds. Didn't do a check yesterday, Sunday. Today is Monday, Labor Day. Happy Labor Day, everyone. Because yesterday we had a get-together at our house and I did lots of cooking and didn't get a chance to do a little look-see in the germination process. So we're going to do that today. So let's take a look and see where we are, shall we? Okay, I'm going to take the lid off of the tub and we're just going to take a little peek on the inside. Let me get my lights. Okay, let's see. Let's turn that this way. Now these are the heirloom carrots. Don't know if that's zoomed in there. And so far we have no germination, which is interesting. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my water bottle. I'm going to spritz them a little more just to make sure that they are still moist. I'm going to cover it back up. Tuck that back up under there. And I'm going to put this back on. And I have, or was supposed to have had, those closed. The little holes on there closed because I want it sealed because I have those little holes already in there so air can get in. So no germination on those. Let's try the second set. And I'll put these down on the bottom. These, the same thing with that one, are my, don't know if you can see that, the knot or the Nantes half-long carrots. And it doesn't look like there's any germination in there. I don't know because you can't see. I'm gonna have to take the lid off. There's actually a little in there. Like there's one, there's one, there's one. So there is a little, but not enough. So we're just gonna get those moistened back up. Pull those off. So I did these on the 31st and today is the 2nd. So, you know, it usually takes about 3 or 4 days, which, you know, it's no biggie. And put that, oops, on there and make sure it's setting properly or seated properly. And take the lid off of this one. And the same thing with these. These are my Danvers 126 carrots. Let's see if I can hold these without going too crazy on them. And it looks like there is just a couple of them maybe, that have germinated in here. So even though it does still have some water in here, I'm just going to add a little more. Make sure they're all coated. Cover them back up. And I'm going to put this back on top And I wonder if it's because these holes weren't closed. So they're all closed now. All of the lids are seated. All of the lids are seated properly, and I'm going to put this lid back on it. And I'm going to tuck it out of the way. And we'll check again tomorrow morning to see what we have, if anything, has germinated overnight. This process, even though it seems like it takes a while, is actually faster than waiting to see what has sprouted and what has not sprouted as far as planting. And the reason I say that is because, at least with this way, you are guaranteed germination once you transplant it into the egg crates, and whatever seeds that are not going to germinate, you didn't plant. So, you have that. So, I'm going to tuck that out of the way, and we're going to wait and check tomorrow. So, I'll see you then. Take care. Bye.
Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.